Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Mixed Emotions. Hope you all are doing good in this quarantine session. Today I thought of coming up with few words which are often mispronounced in English, and I thought of giving it a try myself also, because I also didn't knew few of the pronunciation. And after my first video in English, many of my friends and relatives have told me just to continue with this topic for few days, so I thought of doing the same. So I actually have collected few of the words in my Excel sheet. I will show all the words, and I will also give you the description of few of the English channel links where you can get help about those words in which you face problem. So I have collected few of the words among them, and I will tell you in details that how you pronounce them and what is actually to be pronounced. The first word in my Excel sheet is cloth. It is actually a one syllable word, cloth. And in cloth and in cloths, the plural form of cloth is cloths. In cloths, what happens is that it is a one syllable word, and we do not pronounce it as clothes. We pronounce it as cloths. The ZZZ sound at the end should be very much audible to your ears. It shouldn't be clothes, it should be cloths. So CLOTHES, that is the one syllable word, and the actual pronunciation is cloths and not clothes. Let's go to the next word. The next word is colleague. Right. So colleague is someone who with whom we share our office tiffin, we share work, and a person in the workplace is often termed as colleague. Now this word has two syllable, co and league. Okay, and we have to pronounce the UE at the end. So the pronunciation actually matters when you pronounce the word UE at the end. So whenever it is actually a plural word moreover, and it should make the ZZ sound. That is, it is colleague, not colleague you or colleagues, and there are many such deformation. So the actual pronunciation is colleague and not colleague you. So that is another thing. Okay, the next word in my sheet is February. Right. So many people have problem in pronouncing words which have two R together. Many people I am also considered, I know. So you should make sure that you should pronounce those R words. Now what happens is that often what we do, it is actually February, and many people have this tendency of pronouncing at Feb-U-R-E. So February and Feb-U-R-E, there is a difference, right? So February, it's February, it's not Feb-U-R-E. So this is the basic difference. Okay, so try to pronounce February as February, not February. Okay, similarly library. Okay, library should be pronounced as library, not library. So this is the basic catch you need to get, and with use of this word and by practicing this pronunciation, you and I, we all will get over this. Let's move on to the next word. The next word in my list is athlete. Okay, so what is an athlete? Athlete is a person who is known to be involved in the sports background, or who is known to be working in sports, right? So it is not athlete, it is athlete, right? Many people have this tendency of pronouncing the word as athlete. It is not athlete, because the spelling is ATHLETE, and the proper pronunciation of this term is athlete and not athlete, right? And next we move on to another two very special and easy words, that is escape and especially. So these two words, it has an X kind of sound, right? Okay, and this kind of words makes a mistake. It is always orienting with a kind of mistake. Okay, so we try to pronounce escape as escape. It is not escape, it is escape. It is ESCAPE, and we tend to pronounce it as EXCAPE, that is escape. That is the wrong thing to do. Next is especially. Whenever this ES terms comes in between, we always try to deform the word, and we place a X. We place an imaginary X while we pronounce it in a quicker way. So we pronounce it as especially. It's not especially, it is especially. So that is the difference. So you need to understand these two differences and you need to pronounce it in the proper way. The next one is, it's a very common word. It's a name of a weekday, and it is Wednesday, right? We pronounce Wednesday as Wednesday, but there is a big catch in this word. The D is always silent in Wednesday. So the proper pronunciation is Wednesday and not a Wednesday. We do not pronounce the D in Wednesday. So that is another thing. We move on to the another word, and that is prescription, right? So whenever we go to the doctor or whenever we want to buy the medicine, always we turn to the pharmacist or the doctor. They always they ask us that, do we have a prescription or have we visited the doctor before? So sometimes people mix up the RE with ER. Okay, so I'm telling you, they term it as prescription, okay, instead of pronouncing prescription. So PER, they pronounce it as PER, but it is actually PRE. So prescription and prescription have two different meanings. So I think, guys, you should understand this thing, that it is not prescription, it is prescription. So the actual pronunciation is prescription. And yes, yeah, that is the thing. And the next word in my list is ask. This is a very common mistake which we all do. We tend to pronounce it as ax. So it is not ax. The word ax is AKS, but ask is ASK. So that is a basic catch, you know. So these words which I am discussing today, they have these few basic catch which we tend to forget at times. So this is actually ask, okay, and it is not ax. We tend to term it as AX. Okay, so this is actually ask. Right? Yeah, so the word is actually ASK and it is not AX. So that is ask and not ax. Yeah, so the last two words which I will be discussing is nuclear. Right. So we have always heard about the nuclear pacts our government is signing with the other countries, or the nuclear war, or the nuclear programming. So this word is very common word, right? So what we do is that we tend to pronounce it as nuclear or nuclear. That is not the actual pronunciation. The actual pronunciation is nuclear. Right, we tend to pronounce it as NUCULAR, but the actual pronunciation is NUCLEAR, nuclear. Okay, so it is not nuclear, okay, or nuclear. So the actual pronunciation is nuclear, right? And yes, the last but not the least is like pronunciation is the word. Yes, today I am discussing about pronunciation, and the last word in my entire sheet is pronunciation. Right, so it is the actual pronunciation is pronunciation. Okay, it is not a pronunciation, and it is not pronunciations also. Many times it happens. It is pronunciation. Okay, it is first it comes PRO, then it comes NUN, then SIAY, SHUN. This is the syllable breakup I'm giving you, guys. This is not the spelling I'm telling you. This is the syllable breakup. The actual way in which this word would sound is pronunciation. So I guess that's all for today. These are the few words in which we basically we make mistakes in these words. If we tend to avoid the mistake, and if we tend to read these words properly, I guess we can improve more upon the way we speak. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are doing good and having a good day. Thank you so much.